Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by measuring your wrist and arranging tools for a safe removal. Use a 3mm spring bar tool and soft cloth. Place the Casio watch face down on the cloth to protect the crystal and bezel. Check the lug width, commonly 18mm, and inspect the spring bars and lug holes for any rust or damage. If the spring bars look bent, replace them before proceeding. Keep a small container nearby to hold removed parts and screws for later reassembly. Hold the watch steady with the face down on the soft cloth to avoid scratches. Use the 3mm spring bar tool to compress the spring bar toward the strap center. Apply steady pressure until the bar clears the lug hole, then gently tilt the strap away from the case. Work slowly to prevent the spring bar from popping free and disappearing. Repeat the process on the opposite side of the watch to remove the second strap. Place both spring bars in the small container to keep them safe for reattachment. After removing the strap, clean the lug area with a soft brush and mild soap, then dry completely. Inspect both spring bars. Replace them if they show wear or bending. To reattach, insert one spring bar end into its lug hole and compress the opposite end with the 3mm tool. Align the strap and slowly release the bar so it seats into both lug holes with an audible click. Confirm each end seats at least 1 millimeter into the lug holes before wearing the watch again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.